All right, guys, so exciting news. Elvis is going to his new home. All right, so this is Dan and Ashley. All right, Dan, tell us a little bit about his home.
Oh, he's going to love it because he loves the water, and we live on the water, and we've got about 3/4 of an acre for him to run around, and he's got a new friend when he gets there already, so he's going to have a very, very nice place, and it's going to make us all happier, too.
All right, and look, you guys, they're picking him up in a Bentley. I mean, come on, we can't ask for any more than that. I mean, come on. Elvis is riding in style.
Yeah.
One lucky puppy.
All right, you guys, I'm really excited about you guys getting him. I know it's going to be a great home. I want you to stay in touch with me and send me pictures, and I'm here if you guys need me. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank